Hello. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Gmail or any email address to your X account, formerly known as Twitter. Linking your email is important because it helps secure your account, makes password recovery easier, and ensures you never miss important notifications. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to x.com. This is the new domain for Twitter after the rebrand. Log in with your username and password, and once you're on the homepage, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the More option. It's represented by 3 horizontal dots. Click on More, and from the drop-down menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This is the main section where you can manage everything related to your account. Next, under Your Account, click on Account Information. This is where details like your username, phone number, and email are stored. Look for the Email option and click on it. Here, you'll be able to update or add a new email address. Select Update Email Address, and for security purposes, X will ask you to confirm your account password. Carefully enter your password and then click Next. Now, type in the Gmail or email address you want to add to your account and click Next. X will immediately send a verification code to that email address. Open your Gmail inbox, find the email from X, and copy the code provided. Return to your X account, paste the code into the verification field, and click Verify. Once that's done, your new Gmail or email address will be successfully linked to your account. And that's it. Quick, simple, and very important for keeping your account secure. By having your Gmail connected, you'll always have a reliable way to recover your account and stay updated with notifications. I hope you found this guide helpful. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tutorials on X, Gmail, and other essential apps.